So it's about 2 days after a winter storm over like half of America, and now all of the snow is just like had like a rock hard layer on top of it now. So we have this really like big mound. So I don't want to walk down and slip. So here, I can just slide down like this, just like that. And the layer on top is so thick that you can actually walk on it without falling in like this. So here, if I step or stomp, here makes a little layer. Oh, what is it? Makes a little crack in that like layer of ice. Ah, there we go. Now I've got a stable place. See? So the snows are not really thin. You can actually walk on top of it. Oh, I keep falling down. Oh. And I've actually sledded on this. The sled goes insanely fast. You can see like the sled marks. Oh. Yeah, I keep falling in. Like I have to step really light. It's hard. Here, and we just finished shoveling out our driveway, so we've got some ice on it. And the weather forecast said only almost 3 feet of snow fell, but this is not 3 feet. This is a really brittle part. There we go. Alright. You can see there's big paw prints. It's probably a red fox because they have like a lot of those here in my neighborhood. And it looks like they are going that way. It ran onto the road. Here, this is the thicker part of the ice. So now I can just run on this without falling. Ah! Never mind. I take that back. And over here's my deck. I think I can slide down this too. Here. No, I don't think the ice is thick enough, but yeah, that's not right. I don't have stairs. And then now here's slide down to my basement. I'm not sliding down that one because I'm gonna break the door once I hit it. What's this? Someone stuck a shovel into the snow. Put that back in. Uh-oh, looks like our shoes aren't tied. It's fine. Let me see if I can slide down my hill without snow. Without a sled. Alright. Come on. Yup. Ah! Yeah, I still have footprints here. Let's try that again. Whoa. Ah! Ouch. Yeah, so I guess that does work. It would have been better if I didn't have so many footprints here. Yeah, it looks like an earthquake just came through here because I stepped in it so much. And fell down. Alright, so I guess that's it. See ya.